Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads, or previously known as AdWords. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin into your Google Ads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin into your Google Ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and maybe you want them to come into your Google Ads to help pull data or manage your ads. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin into your Google Ads account, here on the left side, you're going to click on admin. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu right here, and you want to click on access and secure. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all of the admins and users you have in your Google Ads account. But to add another admin, you're going to click on this blue plus icon right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and enter the email address to the person you're going to add as an admin. Make sure you use the correct email address because they will need to accept the invitation and also sign into their Gmail. Next, you want to go ahead and choose when the access expires. So let me click on this. Okay, so here you can choose never or 1 year. The reason you might want to do this is if you're going to be working with a contractor and you want to go ahead and give them temporary access, but there's a possibility you might forget to come back in here and remove them, you can set a time frame on it. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose never. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose the permission type. So they've listed out all of the different permissions here. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and add them as an admin. So they're going to get full permission, as you can see with these green check marks. Once you're done, go ahead and click on send invitation. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the invitation is pending. So I need to wait for that person to accept being an admin in my Google Ads account. Once they accept, they'll show up down here on the user list. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin into your Google Ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.